Hello YouTube, my name's Liam and I'm CalBMXer. First YouTube video ever. I will be doing a review of my bike. Let's start top end. Alright, so first we've got Colt leader bars with Colt Derhart Chase grips. Got Colt mind control stem. We've got Colt forks. Colt match hub, Colt rim, Colt Chase Derhart wheel. Pretty much Colt all that. Size of the headset, that's Colt as well. Onto the frame, we've got a We the People Trust 2012. Seat is a We the People Trust 2013. Seat post is a Colony. Cranks, a Colt. Pedal is Colt. I don't know if you can see that. Colt. Back wheel is an animal Colt wheel laced to an with an animal rim laced to a profile hub. I will do a sound test for your profile hub. Alright, so that is my bike review. Like, subscribe and favorite for more videos. I'll be coming soon. Thank you very much. Goodbye.